Hi guys, it's Ray. I am trying to get myself geared up to get back into cups this week. I will definitely be back into cups for February, but I wanted some fresh stuff to work with, so I got a Butterfly Lane Designs order. I realized I hadn't ordered since November. I sat out the last two subscription boxes. I do think I'm going to get the next one though. But I wanted some goodies. So this is my order. She sent me a little freebie. That's cute. This is my order. I ordered this on a Friday. When she has Friday deals, it's a great time to order. And some stuff she's still got on sale like all the time. And she has more stuff than ever loaded to the website. I definitely recommend you have a look if you haven't been on in a while. Or if you are on the Facebook group, she'll show the new drops there. I will put the link to the Facebook group down below. When you're ordering on Fridays and special deals, you can't use like your reward points or coupons because you're already getting such a great deal. So do be aware of that. But I'm going to get into it. I caught her live that Friday and she was just cutting vinyl and I saw like some of these and I just had to get an order. And I really should have made a list while I was watching because I'm sure I didn't order everything I wanted. But we're going to get into it. First, we'll just go over this little goodie she included for me. These are called Grind My Gears. These are from Glitter Fetish. And oh my goodness, these are so cool. They're like, let me see if I can get one out. They're gears, but they're not like metal thick gears. They're paper thin, so they would actually curve onto a cup or work like glitter. Very, very cool. Thanks, Jessica, for sending me some of these. So yeah, Glitter Fetish if you're looking for these. And I'm going to set the couple decals I got off to the side for now. The only wraps I ordered were 30-ounce wraps because I have the capability of printing my own 20-ounce wraps, but when I want to do a 30-ounce tumbler, obviously I can't do that. And oh my god, I need to get this onto a cup like today. That one that I had spray painted, just the top and the bottom white, I think maybe we're going to get wrapped. I don't know that I'll be able to get epoxy on it, but I need to use this. And I can ink the bottom some kind of aqua, but this is beautiful. So if you're looking for this wrap, you would look for this number, W53. But this B wrap is gorgeous. And then she had some more manly wraps. Father's Day will be coming up here sooner than we think. So I thought grabbing a couple of 30-ounce masculine wraps would be a good idea. So this one's a bass on a wood grain background with a little bit of camo. And then I got this one, which is a deer and some camo and the American flag. And then I got this other bass one on a like slab of wood. I just thought this one was cool. Here's some more decals I'm going to set to the side. And I absolutely loved this on the Prism holographic. This like leopard print. This is the medium size and it is PV 637. I'm not going to give you the numbers on everything. If you do need to ask, go ahead. But PV being permanent vinyl. You can find this under the animal prints. I love the Prism Hollow. And then I got some more of the paw prints because I haven't made a pet tumbler in a while. And then I saw this like coffees one or teas or drinks. Coffees, I think. And I just thought it was cute. because, you know, I'm a coffee girl. And there were these little foxes that I thought were so cute, even though I don't think I've even used the last really cute little foxes ones I got. So this is where the gears come into play. Jessica launched this line, and I think I only ordered 3 of them because I was a little bit overwhelmed looking. But she launched this line of steampunk butterflies, and she had, I don't know, I would venture a guess there's probably 20 of them. And she is working on decals to go with, I believe. But this is where Doc's little gears come into play because they're like a perfect to go with this. So, but aren't these beautiful? I really liked this one. You know me, I'm drawn to things with blues or turquoise or aqua. I thought this one was just really dark and lovely. And then I really liked the background pop of the butterflies in this one. So, and here is another, is this the same one? I can't remember. No, this one is slightly, oh, duh. One's a leopard, one's a cheetah. Which is which? I don't know. I think this is a cheetah and this is a leopard. But yeah. And then I just thought this was really pretty. You guys are almost too far down. I have so much glare. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this one. But I thought it was gorgeous. So I had to have that one too. And then there was this one with major Lisa Frank vibes. And, you know, that makes my 80s child super happy. So I got this on the white as well as the Prism holographic. So this will just be your opaque vinyl, your white, and the holographic. But that's a side-by-side of the two of them. And then she also has all of these book vinyls now. I didn't, well, here, I'm going to get this one next. She had this really cute bee one that she showed cutting, and I just had to have it. I got this in the small prints. I generally like the smaller size print, but sometimes I'll go with the medium. If there's a choice, there's not always a choice, but I thought the colors on this one were really pretty, just very vintage teal, really just pretty muted kind of tones. All right, so she got onto these ones, and you guys know I am a book lover, and I have a book tumbler that somebody made me, one of my viewers, and but these were just gorgeous. They are book stacks with florals intertwined, and I just really, really liked them. So this one's a medium size. I got them all in a medium. Okay. So she does have these in a small, where they're much smaller. I prefer medium. I just do. So I got that color. This one has more vertical books in a very similar palette. You could actually mix these two together if you wanted to. And then I got this one with the teal book. My personal painted book stack is teals. And here's another one. And the last one. So really, I feel like if you wanted to mix and match, probably if I pulled this one out, because this one would clash with any of those, but you could mix definitely these two together and definitely these two, if not all 4 of those together. And there were more. Again, just like with the Steampunk butterflies, there were more. So to go with those, I think think is what most of the decals I ordered were. This one I got just clear, so this one won't have white on the back. So this would have to go over a lighter color top. But just one more chapter. Then I got that one in colors. And then I got, you know, the skeleton one, just one more chapter. Happiness is a Cup of Coffee and a Really Good Book. So I have 2 of those. And then I got these 2, the Reading Girls. I can cut my own, just one more chapter text to go with these if I wanted to. So I got 2 of each of those. I didn't get any other decals because you guys know I have a ton. Actually, next on my to-do list today is to purge some of that and finally finish up a package that I'm getting ready to send somebody. So, but I figured some of these will mix with some of these, hopefully. Maybe. But yeah, those were the book lovers ones. So this is my entire order. Hopefully you think some of this is fun. Again, Butterfly Lane Designs. I will put the link down below, put the link for the Facebook group. But yeah, some fresh new stuff to play with was my goal, and I think I really do want to use this like today. I don't have any cups prepped to do anything with anything else because it's winter in New York, but I do have this, which I can most definitely ink the top and the bottom of to work with this. So maybe, just maybe, we'll get to a cup. But that is it. Thank you for watching. Please check out Jessica's site, butterflylanedesigns.com. And yeah, if you're looking for something like this, these are really cool. You get those from Doc over at Glitter Fetish. And that is it. I will see you next time. I feel like I got a lot. The Friday deal on the full sheets of vinyls was buy 2 get 2, so that's a fabulous deal. But again, you'll be notified of those sales and deals if you're, first of all, if you get on the mail list. You should get an email with those. And again, if you go join the Facebook group, you will see those and reminders of those. So that is it. And I do believe the wraps are still on sale. So the price you're going to see once you go look in your cart, the price is actually different. The cart price is the correct price, is what I'm trying to say. So that is it, and I will see you soon.